Today I'm going to have a little bit of fun finally unboxing all of the Airlift Performance 3H system. I've kind of left it in the box since I've gotten it. Welcome to Challenge to Build, and my name is Paul Michael, and the project that we are working on is the 3500 dually project. I've got a box full of parts, a box within a box within a box. So they are from Airlift Performance, not to be confused with Airlift. Two completely different companies. At least I think they're two completely different companies. So, what do we got? Box number one. So box number one consists of a filter kit that will run, so an airline will run out of the air tank through the filter. No. Yeah. So it'll come from the air tank through the filter into the manifold system. And then I also have a pressure relief valve for max pressure. Plus the hardware to install it. So we got an air filter kit. We have, I think they send 60 feet of line. Let's see what we got. Let's see if there should be an inventory list here. You know, generally when these things come out, we just kind of like throw them away or kneel on them. But gotta look professional, guys. Let's see. Super detailed instructions. I have been paging through the instructions over the last couple of days. And super detailed, very clean and clear. Definitely a lot of information regarding how to install. And so this is the Airlift 3H system. It's actually a 3P and a 3H, so it's pressure based and height sensor based. So in the box we got 1/4 inch airline. I think they give you 60 feet. Let's see here. Hardware, manifold, filter. Yep. 60 feet of 1/4 inch airline. We got the cushion clamp, the mini filter, and then the hardware, along with the pressure relief. So this came in its own box. So I am running, some of these parts I've already taken out of the box. I am running dual Viair 444C compressors into a 5-gallon air tank. Now the air tank is also at the powder coat. I don't have that sitting here. But when you run the Airlift 3H performance system, they sell a specific wiring harness for the dual compressor installation. So this was in its own box, so this is going to go to the side. I don't think they have it listed here. Let me see. Yes. Optional second harness, 27703, right here. So that is the harness for the second. And here is the main harness, right here. Super nice. Again, pre-wired relay. Super nice connector. Weather pack. Everything labeled. Really, really nice stuff. And then we got a couple air fittings as well. So it's a good thing I didn't go out and buy all the fittings yet. So to find out what's inventoried, this is part of the build. Even though I'm not welding or cutting anything, this is an aspect of the build that needs to be done. So that's kind of what I figured this would be about. Alright, so that takes care of box number 1. So a lot of it was electrical and airline related. Let's see what we got in box number 2. Box number 2 has what appears to be sensors. These are the height sensors for all 4 corners. They give me little link rods, zip ties, and then the actual height sensor that makes the system work. So there are 4 sensors, 1 for each corner. And then here is the plug and play wiring system for the harnesses. Individually labeled, front left, front right, left rear, or right rear, left rear. Excuse me. This is part of the kit that I actually wanted to get involved with and start installing these. But I'm not doing that because I'm afraid that if I mount these, I'm going to put them in the wrong spot. So I need to make sure that I get the truck back together and then install these one time. And then finally, for box number 3, box number 3 has all the goodies in it. We have the Airlift Controller. And the Airlift Controller is basically, so originally I was going to run the Viair, no, not Viair, AccuAir, excuse me. I was originally going to run an AccuAir air management kit, and one of the things that made me switch right at the last minute was the Airlift Performance controller that you automatically get with the kit. With the AccuAir, they had like a silver, bronze, silver, gold kind of tier for their kits, and the controller was like an added upgrade. So I'm going to come up and show you the kit that I did. I watched a couple YouTube videos of this, and I was impressed. And I'm really looking forward to getting this thing together and hitting some buttons. So we got the controller. The air manifold is also in this box. Now the air manifold should have been, if you've been following along, is probably something that you've seen. This is kind of the whole heart or brain of the system. Again, plug and play. All of your solenoid control valves are in here. And there is a port for each bag at all 4 corners, plus a port from the air tank, and then 1 exhaust port. So super clean, super neat. I mounted this up under the frame rail. There's a 2-part series of how I went about mounting it. The air management kit that I'm running comes in 2 sizes. It comes in the 1/4 inch line and also the 3/8 line. So if you wanted a little bit more speed in the system, They do offer a 3/8 line, 3/8 manifold as well. So a couple different options for you. Oh wow, there you go. They even give you a little cutter for the airline. That's kind of slick. And then of course they got the detailed instructions. So that basically wraps up the unboxing of the Airlift Performance system. Like I said, I'm kind of in a lull, just waiting for parts, and figured I would start familiarizing myself with the system. Again, all of the links for everything that you see on the table will be in the description below. And believe it or not, I got most of this off of Amazon. I'm an Amazon junkie. It's an easy way for everybody to find the parts in multiple countries and locations. So there will be links for the majority of what you see here. So that is going to wrap up this live stream and video regarding the unboxing of the Airlift Performance 3H 3P system. If you are interested in getting any more information regarding this system, there are links down below. With that, my name is Paul Michael. This has been Challenge to Build and Challenge to Build Live. Thanks for watching. Now you need to go out there and challenge your build, and I will see you all in an upcoming video and or live stream. Have a good day.